catch up with you guys. One minute. I'm going back to London. I can't wait. So guys, I just finished dropping off the wig at the lady's house that's gonna be doing my hair. Right now I'm in Grace and I'm just waiting for the train to move so I can get back to the city, back to London, back to some normality because I'm too far out. I wanna get home like right now. Anyways guys, I am on the train. I'm waiting for it to move. They said it was gonna move at 3:03, but we're still here, so I don't know, but I want to get back home to the city, to London. I feel like a stranger. I feel like I'm in another country and I don't like it, I don't like it, so
welcome aboard the CTC.
Okay, I think I'm about to move, guys.
Fenchurch Street, calling at
Let me see.
Raynham, Dagenham Docks, Barking, West Ham, Limehouse, and Fenchurch Street.
We're about to leave in a minute. I cannot wait to get back to the city. The city I'm always cussing. And this needs to go before my vacation because what the fuck? Anyway guys, I will talk to you a lot when I get back home or when there's something next that I need to do. But this is the start of my vacation maintenance and I cannot wait for Sunday. Sunday is when I'm gonna go get my wax and I cannot wait, you guys, because I've been complaining to everyone that will listen. I cannot wait to get a wax. I will catch up with you guys. One minute. Guys, we're moving. I'm going back to London. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is official. I have my travel money. Oh my gosh, why does the USD look like Monopoly money? I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna open it and see what it looks like and how it feels. This is crazy, you guys. We're spending USD. So guys, my skin is glowing. I'm actually on my way to go and get my wax done now, but can you guys see how this primer is making my skin look? It looks so good. I'm so excited. But anyways, I'm on my way to go now, so I'm gonna take you lot along with me. And yeah, I don't know if I can record in there, but I will try and get as much clips as I can. But I can't stop looking at my skin because the sun's making it look so glowy and nice, and I just love this. I need to hurry up and leave because I don't want to be late and I have to go pick up an order from In Boots. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I'm waiting for the lady to come back so I can get my nails done.